Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming at you with another work from home job lead. Just a little disclaimer, I do not work for any of these companies. I simply share what I find online, but I do have the links to all of these jobs that I discuss in the description box below. So if you're interested, that is where you can put your application in at. And if you find any of these job leads helpful, please help me out by liking and sharing this video. But if you like helping people and you think that helping keep people safe would be something that you would enjoy, the company ADT, the security company, is hiring a remote customer service monitoring representative to work 100% remote from home. Now, they are hiring throughout the United States nationwide. They do have some state restrictions. They are hiring in the following states: Alabama, Arizona, Arkansas, Delaware, Florida, Georgia, Idaho, Indiana, Iowa, Kansas, Kentucky, Louisiana, Mississippi, Missouri, Nebraska, New Hampshire, North Carolina, North Dakota, Ohio, Oklahoma, South Carolina, South Dakota, Tennessee, Texas, Utah, Virginia, Wisconsin, and Wyoming. And if you live in one of those states and this sounds like something you would like to do, they are looking for someone to handle incoming alarm calls, and you'll place outbound calls to people when their alarms go off to verify the alarm activity, to dispatch any proper authorities like the police, fire, etc. if something is going on, and you'll notify the homeowners or responsible parties. So you'll have to pay attention to detail when documenting alarm handling procedures with the alarm screens. You'll complete alarm processing in accordance with the procedure guidelines, and you'll be receiving inbound calls related to alarm callback inquiries. Now, they do have paid virtual training, and they provide all the necessary equipment and resources you need to allow you to be successful in your job. Now, it says they also offer competitive pay, although they don't state what that pay is. You'll have to ask at the time of the interview, but they do offer benefits like paid time off, pet insurance, 401k, and then medical benefits. They also do not require very much experience at all. You do have to have a high school diploma or GED, and they only require a minimum of 6 months of customer service experience, so very little experience. They do want you to be able to be a problem solver and have problem solving skills. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.